This is Unit 4, Standard 4, graph using intercepts. Number 1, identify the intercepts of each graph. So your x-intercept is going to be on your x-axis. Here our line crosses when the x value is 4. So our x-intercept, x is 4, when y was 0. The y-intercept, that's going to be on your y-axis here. Our line crosses at 3. So here in this case, our x's were 0, our y is 3. Number 2, graph a linear function with an x-intercept of 1 and a y-intercept of 4. So on the x-axis, we're going to put a point at positive 1. Positive 1 on the x-axis here. A y-intercept of 4. So on your y-axis, we'll put a dot at positive 4. Once you have those 2 points, draw your line through them. And extend that line, put arrows on the ends. Number 3, we need to graph the equation 2x minus 5y equals negative 20 using the intercepts. So to find your x-intercept, substitute 0 for y. So 2x minus 5 times 0 equals negative 20. So we have 2x minus 0 equals negative 20. 2x equals negative 20. Basically, divide by 2, we get x equals negative 10. So on the x-axis, we'll put our point at negative 10. Then to find your y-intercept, do similar idea. Substitute 0 for x. So 2 times 0 minus 5y equals negative 20. 2 times 0 is 0 minus 5y. 0 minus 5y, that's going to be a negative 5y. Don't forget your negatives. Then we divide by negative 5 to get the y by itself. Negative 20 divided by negative 5 is positive 4. So on your y-axis, put a dot at positive 4. Now that you have your 2 intercepts, draw your line all the way through them and make sure you put arrows. Number 4, graph x equals 7 and y equals negative 5. If necessary, create a table. So for that first equation, x equals 7, if we made a table of x and y values, our x value is always going to be 7, no matter what y is. So if we had negative 6, negative 4, 0, let's say 3. So x is 7, y is negative 6. X is 7, y is negative 4. X is 7, y is 0. Again, 7, y is 3. So that's going to give us a vertical line here through your x value of 7. Make sure you draw your line all the way through. Put your arrows on it. Similar concept for that equation, y equals negative 5. So if you've made a table of x and y values, your y value is always going to be negative 5, no matter what you choose for x. So let's say we pick negative 8, negative 3, 0, 6. So if we plotted those points, negative 8, negative 5, negative 3, negative 5, 0, negative 5, 6, negative 5. So those ordered pairs create a horizontal line so draw your line through it, put your arrows, horizontal line through y equals negative 5.